Hi students, I hope you understood what we have discussed in the previous session about this comparing quantities. We have discussed about the discount and in percentage, how to convert the ratios to percentage. Then percentage is given, what is the calculation of that particular percentage out of it. Okay, so today we are going to deal about the other topic which in class 7th we have learned about some cost price and selling price. What is exactly cost price and selling price? Cost price, when you are purchasing, for you it is cost price, and the shopkeeper, when he is selling to you, that is the selling price. But listen carefully, you are purchasing from the shop, so that is the cost price for you, and because the shopkeeper is a shop owner, he is selling to you, that is the selling price. But here variation is there. When you are purchasing a cost price and you are selling, you purchased and you sold. Similarly, shopkeeper purchased from some factory or from the distributor. He purchased and he is selling. See that difference. When you are only purchasing from the shop, that is cost price, and for the shop owner or keeper, it is the selling price. But where the shopkeeper gets from some distributor or some factory, right? So he is purchasing from the factory. That means for him it is the cost price. When he is selling to you to the article, that is selling price. So these all cost price and selling price. So when we are purchasing a particular article, that is the cost price. When we are selling any article, that is the selling price. So cost price shortly we denote with CP, and selling price we denote with SP. Cost price and selling price. If selling price is greater than cost price, suppose you purchased one article for rupees 10 and you sold it for rupees 15, then you are getting a profit. The term is called either gain or profit. So if SP is greater than CP, selling price is more than the cost price, then we obtain profit. Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Observe it. Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Profit percent. So profit percent, how much percentage of profit you got or the shopkeeper got. So profit percent is equals to profit by CP into 100. Means when you are purchasing, the business people, they have to get it. So they have to purchase and they will sell. So what amount they spent on purchasing and what amount on they gain while they selling. So profit percent is equals to profit by CP into 100. Suppose is every time you get, sometimes you will be, see, due to the floods recently occurred in Hyderabad or some other places. So floods, there is a loss for the farmers or the householders. For everybody who ever affected by the flood, there is a loss. How it is a loss? They might have purchased the things they kept, but now suppose a rice mill is there. So in that they stored all the rice they purchased, but now due to the rain it's spoiled. Suppose the quality of the rice may be decreased. Again they have to dry, and because of the quality they need to sell at the low cost. After refreshing, after repolishing that rice, they will sell again. So there the cost, they may sold at the less price. So when the cost price is more than the selling price, so cost price is greater than the selling price, then we obtain loss. So loss is equals to CP minus SP, cost price minus selling price. Loss percent is equals to loss by CP into 100. Loss percent is equals to loss by CP into 100. Profit percent or loss percent will be calculated based on its cost price only. So whether it is a profit percent or the loss percent, so we will be calculated only on its cost price, based on its cost price only. Observe it again. Cost price is denoted by CP, selling price is denoted by SP. In that, if selling price is greater than the cost price, then we obtain profit. Profit is equals to, so how do you get the profit? How much you got the profit? Selling price minus cost price. Profit percent is equals to profit by CP into 100. Next, if CP is greater than SP, then we incurred loss. Loss is equals to CP minus SP, and the loss percent is equals to loss by CP into 100. So profit percent or loss percent will be calculated based on its cost price only. We will be calculating only on its cost price. So this is about the cost price and selling price, profit percent, loss and loss percent. So based on this, now we see some examples, and still this application part we have to understand in our day-to-day life. Some business people, maybe your father's real estaters will be there, some other business, so they know very well. You can discuss with your parents at what rate you are purchasing and what rate you are selling. Then you will come to know whether your father or mother, whoever it is, doing the business in a profit way or loss way. Nobody will show interest to get the loss, but situations demands. When situations demands, then that time we need to go for loss. Situations demand in the sense, maybe any effect occurred on that particular item, then it may be the quality or it may be anything, then we need to sell on it loss, that particular items on loss. So loss percent, profit percent, these are how we calculate numerically, that we are going to see now. Example. So cost price, observe it. Example. CP is equals to, just giving in a short way, CP is equals to rupees 1500, SP is equals to rupees 2000, CP is equals to rupees 1500 and SP is equals to rupees 2000. Find profit or loss percent. That you have to decide whether he is getting profit or loss. So CP rupees 1500, SP is equals to rupees 2000. Find profit or loss percent. So whenever you identify the question, first you write what are the terms given in the question. So cost price, CP is equals to rupees 1500. Then SP is equals to rupees 2000. Now you see here, which is greater, SP is greater or CP is greater? Yes, you are right. Selling price is greater than the cost price. SP is equals to, so SP is greater than CP. If SP is greater than CP, what he will obtain? Then he gets profit. So profit is equals to SP minus CP. Which is equals to, I'll write here, SP, selling price is rupees 2000 minus, and cost price is 1500. So which when we subtract, what is the profit he got? 500 rupees. What is the profit he got? 500 rupees. So profit is equals to rupees 500. Now profit percent is equals to 500 by, what is actually formula is what for profit percent? Profit percent is equals to, for every time you write the formula, profit by CP into 100 into 100. So profit is equals to 500 by CP is 1500 into 100. So two zeros cancel. 5 table. 5 3s are 15, 5 hundreds. Right? Can you simplify still at? So 100 by 3, which is equals to 100 by 3%. This can be written as in a mixed fraction. So 100 if you divide with 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 0, 3 3s are 9, 1. So 33, 1 by 3%. Therefore, profit percent is equals to 33, 1 by 3%. 33, 1 by 3%. Is it clear? So first we are observing the terms which are given: profit or loss, cost price and selling price. Then cost price or selling price. In that which is more? So selling price is more than its cost price. So selling price is greater than cost price. We calculated the profit by subtracting from selling price its cost price. Then profit percent is equals to profit by CP into 100. So 100 which we converted into mixed fraction, 33, 1 by 3%. Is it clear? This is how we calculate the percentage of either it is a profit or loss. Let us see one more example on how to calculate even its loss percent. Now, see here, CP example, another example. Cost price is rupees 2500. Cost price is rupees 2500 and selling price is rupees 2000. Find profit or loss percent. Find profit or loss percent. So, here when we have cost price is equals to rupees 2500, selling price is rupees 2000, then we need to say whether it is he gets profit or loss. So, which is greater? Yes, cost price is greater. When he gets cost price is greater than the selling price, tell me now whether he gets profit or loss. Definitely yes. Yeah, you're right. It is definitely it is loss. Why? Cost, he is spending more on it to purchase that particular article, and he is selling at the low cost. He is selling at the low price. He is selling at the low price. So cost price is rupees 2500. Selling price is rupees 2000. Definitely he gets a loss. So here solution, that is cost price CP is equals to rupees 2500 and SP is equals to rupees 2000. Observe it now. So CP is greater than SP. That means if cost price is greater than selling price, then he gets loss. So loss is equals to CP minus SP. What is the cost price here? 2500 minus 2000. How much he is getting loss? 2500 minus 2000. When you subtract 5500 rupees 500 rupees is the loss. So how much he got loss? Rupees 500. Now loss percent. Loss percent. How to calculate the loss percent? Loss by CP into 100%. Loss by CP into 100%. Loss by CP into 100%. Okay. So in this, loss by CP into 100. Loss is how much? 500 by CP. What is the cost price? 2500 into 100, which is equals to, you see, based on its cost price only, that's what the term will say. Either the profit percent or the loss percent, we need to calculate only on its cost price. Only on its cost price. So 500 by 2500, which is equals to into 100. Observe it. Two zeros cancel. Okay. 5 table you can cancel, or 25 table also. 25 ones are 25 twos are 50 and 0 besides. So what is the answer we got? Which is equals to 20%. So here this is 25 ones are. 25 ones are. Now which, therefore what he got? Loss percent is equals to 20%. 20%. This is how we calculate profit or loss percent. Profit or loss percent. Is it clear? Right. Now let us discuss one more example. When they give cost price is given and the profit percentage is given, how to obtain selling price? How to obtain its selling price? Profit means it will be addition or subtraction. Profit will be addition or subtraction. Can you say? To get the profit to get the selling price, you need to add profit to its cost price. We need to add profit to its cost price. First let us see what is 20% of 5,000. What is 20% of 5,000? Observe it. So here solution, given that CP is equals to rupees 5,000 and profit is equals to 20% profit he got. So we calculate first how much profit he got. It is in the percentage, but we need to get in the form of amount. So profit is equals to 20% on what? 500. 20% on what? 5,000. Sorry, it's not 5,000. It's a 5,000, not 100. 20% on 5,000. So first we calculate 20% of 5,000, which is equals to, so 20 by 100 into 5,000. So two zeros cancel, which is equals to 20 into 50. 20 into 50, which will get 1,000. So that means what he got? Therefore profit is equals to rupees 1,000. Profit is equals to rupees 1,000. What exactly the meaning of this question? Means he purchased one article for rupees 5,000 and he sold at a profit of 20%. He sold at a profit of 20%. Find the selling price. So what is the profit? How much amount he got when he sold the article? That we calculated like this. So 20% of 5,000. How much he got? So rupees 1,000 he got the profit. Therefore selling price SP is equals to, how to get the SP? That is CP plus profit. SP is equals to CP plus profit. Now you see, so therefore now you see CSP is equals to, selling price is equals to cost price plus profit. What is the cost price? 5,000 plus 5,000 plus 1000 rupees. 5000 plus 1000 which is equals to 6000. So therefore SP is equals to rupees. Therefore SP is equals to rupees. 5000 plus 1000 total 6000. Total 6000 rupees he got. He gave the cost price and he gave the profit percent. So first we calculated how much profit he got on its cost price, and that profit we added to the cost price. Let us see one more example. If it is loss, if it is in the loss. So example 4. Observe it. If CP is equals to rupees, rupees 8,000 and loss percent is equals to 30%. Loss percent is equals to 30%. Find CP. Find SP. Observe it. Find SP. Selling price you have to find out. So given is cost price. He purchased for rupees 8,000 and he sold it at a loss of 30% on that article. What is its selling price? So loss means which will be more? Cost price only will be more. So cost price is 8,000 and sale loss percentage is given as 30%. Observe it. So solution. First write the step, that is CP is equals to rupees 8,000. Then loss percent is equals to 30%. So what we have to do now? How much amount he got? Actually, what is the amount he got at last? So 30% of 8,000 you have to calculate. 30% of 8,000, that is, so 30% of 8,000 is you have to calculate. So 30 by 100 into 8,000. Two zeros cancel. Now you see 30 into 80. 3 8s are 24, which you can write directly 2,400. So therefore loss is equals to rupees 2,400. When he get the loss, how to calculate the selling price? So actually he purchased for this and he sold at a loss of rupees 2,400. So loss is equal SP is equals to CP minus loss. CP minus loss, which selling price is equals to cost price minus loss. So this one, now you see here, SP is equals to 8,000 minus 2,400. 8,000 minus 2,400. So when you subtract, here I am doing the rough work. 8,000 minus 2,400. 0 borrowing. 10 minus 4 6. 7 minus 2 5. So rupees, how much? 5,600. So therefore SP is equals to rupees 5,600. So this is how we calculate when they give percentage of profit or loss when cost price is given. Is it clear? Right. So here, one more example. A person was getting his salary is rupees 10,000. Actually, he was getting rupees 10,000, and now he got 2% increase in his salary. His salary is increased 2%. 2%. What is his new salary? How much is increased? 2% is increased. 2% is increased. Similarly, decreased also. So 2% increase. So on what it is increased? On 10,000 it is increased. So here, first salary. Salary is equals to rupees 10,000 and increased percent is equals to 2%. So first we need to calculate what is 2% of 10,000. So 2% of 10,000, which is equals to 2 by 100 into 2 by 100 into 10,000. 2 by 100 into 10,000. How much is increment he got? That is, so 2 zeros, which is equals to 2 into 100, 200, 2 into 100, 200. So how much is increased? So 200 rupees increased. Increased amount is equals to 200. What is his new salary? Before he was getting 10,000. Now he got increment as 200. So his new salary, therefore new salary is equals to 10,000 plus 10,000 plus, this is rupees 10,000 plus rupees 200, which is equals to rupees 10,200. This is his new salary. Suppose if they give decreased percent, similarly you have to calculate what is how much is decreased, then you have to subtract. Is it clear, children? So today we have discussed about the cost price, selling price, and increase. How to get the increase? Okay, if they give increased percent, similarly decreased percent. Similarly decreased percent. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Yes. So we have discussed the leftover. Directly if they give, we have some formulas. If they give direct questions like in spite of calculating what is 2% of 3%, directly we can substitute even in the formula based that we will be discussing in the next class. Even we have some VAT questions, the tax, value added tax, or now it is GST. GST. What is the GST? Good service tax. So good GST, these are all the taxes. How to calculate, that we will be discussing in the next class. Is it clear? Right. Thank you. Here we have some homework questions. So cost